Why are we so low?
I don't know. I wonder what happened. Huh,
Keep going over to your left. There's a plane right here.
But we're cleared for 28 left.
Left. So we've got to get over to the left.
Yeah. Minimums.
Tower, Skyhawk 53456, holding short at 28 left at Alpha. Ready for takeoff.
There we go.
Cessna 53456, flat tower, roger, stand by, landing traffic.
Turn in.
Stand by for landing, 53456.
Yep, now we're straight. Everything's cleaned up. Yeah, we're a little low.
Monterey Tower, Bonanza 4428 Charlie, descending 4,200, descending 4,100 on the RNAV Yankee.
A little bit above the glide slope.
Really?
Yep.
The right, the Pappy's over here is not saying that.
Yeah, we're above it.
Number 442 Charlie, Monterey Tower, number 2, final moving short, final wind 3009, runway to the left, clear to land, additional traffic departing, proud arrival, Skyhawk.
Boy, a lot of bullshit here.
Number 2 for 28 left, 28 Charlie, cleared to land.
Okay, pull it back. There you go. All right, we're at 84. We're still fast. It's coming down. It's coming down. There you go. That was a 3-point landing.
Yeah, it was.
Very nice. Keep going. You can.
There's 1 Delta Kilo, stay parking.
What's the hell's the name of it?
Monterey Jet, 1 Delta Kilo.